Nature provides us with abundant natural resources. The sun, wind, the water from rivers, the oceans, the Earth's heat, and biomass that can and should be exploited as sources of clean and inexhaustible energy. These sources, classified as renewable, are the only endogenous sources which Portugal has for the production of electricity. They are alternative and sustainable solutions to the traditional fossil sources such as coal, oil, and natural gas, which in addition to being polluting and of limited supply, are not currently found in Portugal. Today, more than ever, energy is fundamental for economic and social development. In fact, nowadays, energy is itself a differentiating factor for the competitiveness of a country. Portugal has travelled a remarkable path in the implementation of technologies for the production and use of energy from renewable sources. With an investment of several billion euros, largely from private sources, enhancing the unparalleled development of an industrial cluster, of domestic production and export of equipment and services in renewable energy, leading to the development of numerous companies and the direct creation of thousands of jobs. It is in this context that Iberwind operates, a company with a shareholder structure consisting of two companies based in Hong Kong, CKI and PAH, with an annual turnover exceeding 175 million euros, but above all, with around 60 specialized employees, serving our country through the promotion, development and operation of renewable energy projects, leading to the production of clean and renewable energy. With know-how that maximizes the use of national wind resources, Iberwind has been responsible since 1998 until today for the installation of 31 wind farms, all developed in-house, totaling more than 300 wind turbines. With an installed capacity of about 730 megawatts, which represents approximately 15% of the electricity produced by wind power in Portugal and about 3% of the electricity consumed in the country. It is equivalent to the energy consumption of more than 600,000 households. But among all these wind farms and their significant and important portfolio effect, two are worth mentioning for their dimension. They are the wind farms of Candeeiros and Pampilhosa, with an installed capacity exceeding 100 megawatts. Further to this, we have to highlight the first repowering and overpowering project in Portugal in 2011 at the Lagoa Funda wind farm, thus validating the principles of leading from the front and striving for the optimization and the efficiency of our wind farms. This investment has increased the production of this wind farm by almost 100%. After this project, 5 other overpowering and repowering projects followed in 2015-2016. Another important fact to note and emphasize is the constant search for ways to optimize the control of our wind farms, using all means available, including an independent SCADA system for the online monitoring of our wind farms, CMS systems, which increase the efficiency of preventative maintenance, an extensive and comprehensive wind database developed since 1998 and which today is one of the company's most important assets, an operation and maintenance framework distributed throughout the various wind farms, highly specialized and accredited by the manufacturers of wind turbines, and a wide range of suppliers of wind turbines including Vestas, Nordex, Enercon, Senvion and GE, allowing constant updating and the transfer of information and technological know-how to our operation and maintenance teams. As a result of all this, we have achieved technical availability in our wind farms greater than 97%, and always with enormous respect for the health of our employees and the safety of people and goods under our responsibility, without neglecting the defense of the environment around us. which makes Iberwind a leading promoter in Europe. We can safely say that we have every reason to believe in a future that is, for all of us, sustainable. But it doesn't end here, because thinking about the future, Iberwind has a set of skills and expertise to develop new platforms for the promotion and development of renewable energy projects, and is well prepared and open to new challenges. The winds of change are blowing in the direction of renewables. Since 2000, the European Union's energy policy and the continuing development of technology for their production show that renewables are the way forward. They contribute to making the country more sustainable and energy independent. In 2020, wind power will represent over 20% of total national electricity consumption. And Iberwind is not oblivious to these facts. We are proud to say that we contribute to the reduction of imported fossil fuels and that we avoid the annual emission of nearly 1 million tons of carbon dioxide. It is with the same pride that we say we actively promote the development of the national territory through the geographical dispersion of our wind farms, which have greatly contributed to local development. A pride that, after all, is nothing more than natural. Iberwind, natural efficiency.